Nyní dostane slovo pan...
And now I would like to pass the floor to Mr. Kukan.
Ďakujem. 17. júna pri...
Thank you. On the 17th of June, the Venice Committee adopted its position on the Hungarian constitution. This matter was discussed also recently here in the European Parliament. I think this is a positive signal, and hopefully the government of Hungary will reflect upon that position. If we look into the neighborhood relationship between Hungary and Slovakia, it's good that the Venice Committee referred to the parts of the Hungarian constitution that has its impact on Slovakia. Hungary, in its constitution, claims that it is in charge of the destiny of Hungarians living abroad. However, the Venice Committee stated that the home countries where the Hungarian minorities live are those countries that are first and foremost responsible for observing the rights of the Hungarians. It is not a matter of their so-called motherland, Hungary. It is necessary to dampen the tension that exists vis-à-vis Hungary. Hopefully Hungary will master this matter. Thank you.
Thank you as well. And now over to Madame Pam.
I underline the importance of free movement of workers who directly participate to and benefit of the EU project. European citizens are taking advantage of this right, not only working in different member